Lenovo smart clock. There's a smart clock. So it's a kind of small device and not too big. It has USB ports. Looks like a power ports and a button. The box has a power cord. There's no instruction manual, so I guess most of the instruction manual are just on the device itself. So I just turn on.
Assistant. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
I'm gonna go ahead and download the apps. So after I connect this to the home Wi-Fi using the Google app, it's now trying to connect to my Wi-Fi. Hey Google, stop playing. Hey Google, tell me my day.
Currently in Philadelphia, it's 65 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 65 and a low of 40. Have a wonderful day. Here's your morning news update.
Okay, so I figured how to get it to dial a number. Was having trouble by dialing it. So you have to make sure you have a name inside your contact that it can find. I try to find some of the my friend name who has an Asian name and they wouldn't find it, so it has to be American, I guess. You could try to tell it to find a dial a number. You could tell it to find a number. Hey Google, dial this number. There you go. See, it's dialing my number. So whenever it dials a number, it come back to the cell phone. It will say it has a private number, so people wouldn't know who the hell who is it calling them. So you have to pick up and they will know. Hey Google, end call. This is how they will pick. This is how you dial a number onto the phone. I don't know why is it still ringing. Hey Google, play YouTube video.
I also need to know which device to use. Try saying that again and include the device's name.
Hey Google, play RPG game video.
I also need to know which device to use. Try saying that again and include the device's name.
Device name. It looks like it can play music and display the clock and also open up a radio station. Set alarm clocks and your Pandora station. Hey Google, translate how you doing in Korean.
In Korean, that's
어떻게 지내?
Hey Google, translate I like you.
in Korean, that's
난 너를 좋아해.
I don't like
what language should I translate to?
Korean.
What would you like me to translate?
I don't like American food.
In Korean, you would say
나는 미국 음식을 좋아하지 않는다.
How is the S&P 500 doing?
the S&P 500 is down 0.68% to 3,558.
So that's about it and all the Google stuff that I show you from the Google Smart Clock. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like bell to help me grow my channel. And I'll see you next time.